In this video, let's talk about how to deactivate Messenger temporarily. So if you're trying to get rid of your Messenger account without having to delete it permanently, let me show you a quick fix. Now, the one thing that you need to know before you deactivate your account is that you cannot deactivate your Messenger separately. Once you deactivate your Messenger, your Facebook account will also be deactivated. So there is no separate option of deactivating the Messenger only. However, you can deactivate your Facebook only without deactivating the Messenger app, but there is no option to deactivate the Messenger only on itself. Now, either you can deactivate your account using your Messenger app, or you can also use your Facebook app. For this video, we're going to use the Facebook app. So just open up your app, tap on the three lines or the menu icon on the top right. From here, just scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings, and tap on the search bar on the top right. Search for Access and Control and tap on this option. Once you tap on this option, tap on Deactivate and Deletion, tap on Deactivate Account, and then type in the password of your Facebook. Choose a reason for deactivating your account and tap on Continue. So once you reach this section, you can just tap on this box right here and pick Don't Reactivate Automatically. This way your Facebook or your account of Facebook won't get deactivated automatically. So after that, just tap on Continue and your account will be successfully deactivated. And you'll need to reactivate it on yourself to use it again. So that's the process of deactivating Messenger temporarily. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.